Hello students, today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 18, exponents. Now what is exponents? The power of any element. Okay, suppose you write minus 6 cube. So this 3 is called the exponent or power. Now what are the laws? First law, if you multiply two numbers having the same base, then their power or exponents will be added. So suppose we have multiplying two number. Suppose both base are same, x to the power m into x to the power n, and this will give x to the power m plus n. Okay. Achha, this is called the product law. Now come to the quotient law. In place of multiplication, if you divide such numbers, then what will happen? Then the power will be subtracted. Okay. X to the power m divide x to the power n is equal to what? X to the power m minus n. And now we are coming to the power law. X to the power m whole to the power n is equal to x to the power m into n. Okay, this is the power law. Achha. Now we are going to the exercise. See, this is the exercise. You have the book, no problem. Let's start. First question. Simplify the following using the law of indices. Now, see, first question is 1, 6 to the power 15 into 6 to the power 19. Both the base are same. So, what will you get? 6 to the power. It is multiplication. So, power will be added. And you will get the answer 6 to the power 34. Similarly, here there are 3. It doesn't matter how many terms it may be. The base should be same. And if there is multiplication sign, then the power will be added and we will get 7 to the power 9. Okay, next question. 3. 5 by 7 whole square into 5 by 7 to the power 8. Here we will add the powers and get how much? 5 by 7 to the power 10. 2 to the 1. Here also same thing. Simplify. So as I told in the beginning, if there is division sign, then the power will be subtracted. So 35 to the power 12 divide 35 to the power 7. So what will you do? 35 to the power 12 minus 7. That is 35 to the power 5. This is the answer. Second, 3. 2 by 5 to the power 6 divide 2 by 5 to the power 3 is what? 2 by 5. See, here the base is a fraction. That doesn't matter. But here it is division sign. Base are same. So power will be subtracted. So we are getting 2 by 5 cube. That is 8 by 125. Achha. Now see, question number 3. Simplify the following using the power law of indices. See, first question is what? 1, 2, 4, 3, 2 is what? 32 to the power 3 to the power 4. See, if I use the power law, then these two power will be multiplied. And 32 is what? If you do the factor, LCM, you will get 32 2 times. Okay, if you do the LCM like this way. Okay, if you do the LCM, suppose you are taking, okay, 32 2 ja 16, again 2 ja 8. This way you do, you will get what? You will get 2 to the power 5. You will get here 2 to the power 5. And 3 4 ja 12, so 2 to the power 5 into 12, that is 2 to the power 60. Okay, so this one we are getting 2 to the power 60. Now 3 4. See, question is 2 into 2y cube whole to the power 4. 2 into 2y cube whole to the power 4. This we have to simplify. Now 2 into 2 is what? 2 square. Okay, and y cube whole to the power 4. Now use the power law. This power and this power will be multiplied. So we will write what? 2 to the power 2 into 4 into y to the power 3 into 4. Because previously the power of 2 was 2 and here the power is 3. So we are getting 2 to the power 8 y to the power 12. Okay? Achha, 4 1. 4 to the power 7 divide by 4 cube into 4 to the power 3. So if I apply the quotient law here, what will I get? 4 to the power 7 minus 3 into 4 cube. Now 7 minus 3 is what, students? 7 minus 3 is 4 to the power 4. into, again you have 4 cube, so this 2 power will be added, 4 to the power 4 plus 3, that is 4 to the power 7. 3 number. 4 cube into 5 square whole to the power 4. Now very simple, you multiply the power by apply the power law. So 4 to the power 3 into 4 into 5 to the power 2 into 4. This will give what? 4 to the power 12 into 5 to the power 8. Now first, now keep in mind one rule, x to the power 0 equal to 1. Any number except 0, if you raise any number except 0 to the power of 0, the result will be 1. Okay, but keep in mind x not equal to 0. Okay, 0 by 0 is not 1. That is something else. You will study in higher classes. Acha, 5 2. So 216 to the power 0 into 100 to the power 0 is equal to into 512. So as I told you, any number to the power 0 is 1. Here also 1 into 502, that is your 512. Okay, last sum, minus 17 to the power 0 into minus 80 to the power 0 minus 1. So 1 minus 1, that is 0. Okay students, so I have done the maximum sums and of this exercise, and the next exercise we will do in the next class. So please do the remaining sum as homework. Okay students, have a nice day.